It is self-evident, a system that seeks to guide you to your brilliance. Your core competency, your superpower, is superior to one-size-fits-all education.
A personalized approach to the pursuit of knowledge reflects the fact that each person has unique abilities, interests, and qualities. This approach focuses on fostering inner genius, core talents, and superpowers, ensuring students have the tools to excel in their chosen areas. A tailored education system focuses on each student's unique talents, fostering a lifelong love of learning. Teachers help students develop core talents, fostering internal motivation and self-directed learning abilities. This approach enables an ongoing adventure and encourages the exploration of naturally interesting topics. Innovation is crucial for society's survival, driven by diverse abilities and perspectives. Successful democracies value individual talents and skills, foster a diversified workforce, transform industries, and boost development. Education empowering individual brilliance prepares for creativity and social progress, and that is samurai thinking.
Monetize your story. Design your future.